In today's video, we're going to explore the new enhanced speech feature in the Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. But first, go ahead and check out these two clips and tell me if you notice any difference in the audio quality between these two clips.
Look, I could execute this order online by myself, but I want an opinion. You do have opinions, don't you? Look, I could execute this order online by myself, but I want an opinion. You do have opinions, don't you?
Now you see the magic of speech enhance in the Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. With just a few clicks, you can easily enhance your speech and your audio would sound very, very professional. All the background noise, all the echo in your voice, you can reduce that. You can eliminate that, in fact, and your audio would sound a lot better. I'm going to go to my computer screen in a moment and we'll learn how to use this feature and improve the quality of your audio in your videos. So I have Adobe Premiere Pro opened up on my computer. Let's create a new project and let's add a video to the timeline. So I'm going to go ahead and add the same video. Let me just first of all go ahead and change it to editing mode. Let me import the clip that I was talking about. It is currently sitting in my downloads folder. So here's the clip. Let's just put it on the timeline. And when you're editing your videos, the first thing you need to consider is, first, let's play this clip, listen to it, and see how it sounds.
Look, I could execute this order online by myself, but I want an opinion. You do have opinions, don't you?
Now, as you guys heard, that the audio is not very bad. However, there's a lot of background noise and there is some echo in the audio as well. So we can improve this. We can make it better. So in order to improve this, we don't have to go through the steps that we used to previously. It is going to be extremely easy, just a few clicks. Select the clip, go to workspaces here on the top, select audio from here, and under the audio, you can either auto tag this or I'm going to select dialogue because I know this is dialogue, this is just one clip. Once you've clicked dialogue, you have this enhance option here, enhance speech. If you hover your mouse over it, it tells you it makes voice recordings sound like they were recorded in a professional studio, removing all background noise and echo. So let's just click enhance. It's going to take a few seconds and it's going to enhance your speech. As you guys can see, it has already done that. Usually if the clip is longer, it might take a few seconds. In my case, it just took a split second and it did its job. Let's just play it back and see how it sounds now.
Look, I could execute this order online by myself, but I want an opinion. You do have opinions, don't you?
Now, it sounds a lot better already. However, we can do a few other things to make it even better. So what we're going to do is, so after enhanced speech, you can, by the way, reduce the amount or increase the amount. If your audio starts sounding a little robotic, you need to reduce the amount from, like, let's say it's 7.0 right now. You can bring it down to 5.4 and see where it sounds best. And it doesn't sound robotic as well. So, find that sweet spot and keep it there. Now we can click dynamics and increase or decrease the values. That's going to improve our quality of the audio. And then scroll down, click vocal enhancer. And I usually keep it on low tone. If you notice that your audio is low, don't rely on your speakers to listen to the sound. In fact, look at the levels here. It should be at least -12. Between -12 to -6 is the sweet spot. So if your audio is sounding between these two values, I think it's pretty good. Otherwise, click the volume levels and adjust the levels. Let's just play it back to hear the audio and see how it sounds now.
Look, I could execute this order online by myself, but I want an opinion. You do have opinions, don't you?
Okay, as you guys can hear, the audio is sounding way better. If I deselect all of them and I make you hear the audio, just listen to the audio previously and then after the edits, let's see how it sounds.
Look, I could execute this order online.
Okay, now let's go ahead and select all of those options again and listen to the audio with the changes we've just made. Hear it again.
Look, I could execute this order online by myself, but I want an opinion. You do have opinions, don't you?
So this is how you improve your audio quality using the new Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.